Okay, so when you're removing these guns, they look a lot more complicated than what they are. Basically, you got one wire here, which is your switch wire. You got another wire here, which is your main power cable coming to the actual gun. And then you got your gas pipe here. So I'm just going to disconnect them that. Which obviously is a bit hard, one-handed. So I'll do that off camera. I'm going to try and get this off without taking all this off, because I ain't got a set of circlip pliers. If you've got circlip pliers, you might be better off taking that off. That was lucky, it's pretty loose. They can be very tight. Make sure you note the order of what the washers come off. So that is it, gun is free. So there's your gun off. Put your replacement in, so just refit it. So it looks like this washer was first, then this little brass washer. Then obviously your connection for your power. See then, that's done.